Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car has the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.